Melodies are the essence of a great song, but how do you come up with those catchy, memorable melodies? In this video, I want to share a simple exercise that uses melodic motifs, the pentatonic scale, and the 3 basic development tools. So first, let's build a motif. A melodic motif is just a few notes, a small piece of melody that we use throughout a song. For example, so how do we make a motif? For this exercise, we're going to use the pentatonic scale. A pentatonic scale uses these 5 notes from the major scale. Let's take 2 notes from the pentatonic scale. Now we can use our 3 basic development tools to create a motif. So what are the 3 basic development tools? We have exact repetition. This is where we do the same thing again. Repetition with variation is where we basically do the same thing, but we change it up a little. A melody has pitch and rhythm, so we can vary either the pitch or the rhythm or both. And finally we have complete variation. This is where we do something completely different. With a lot of catchy melodies, we often see certain patterns of repetition and variation. One of the most popular patterns is establish, green plastic watering can, repetition with variation, perfect Chinese rubber plant, and variation in fake plastic. So I'm going to use that repetition pattern. Establish, repetition with variation, and variation. Okay, so there's our motif. Now let's apply those same development tools to our motif and turn it into a phrase. A melodic phrase is a single unit of melody that makes complete musical sense. Think of it like a sentence. And I'm going to use the same repetition pattern again. Establish, repetition with variation. I'll put 2 extra notes here. And variation with a little 3-note motif. Now, let's apply the development tools to our phrase and turn that into a full song section. And again, I'm going to use that same repetition pattern. Establish, repetition with some variation. I'm just going to change this 1 note, and complete variation with something like this. And now we have a full 8-bar song section.